Yo, what's up, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter? We are streaming across 3 platforms right now, and I already have 2 viewers. Make sure you guys like the video on YouTube specifically because the algorithm hates me. So we are going to keep streaming crypto, fitness, family, intersexual dynamics, stuff like that. So until I get my training schedule back on track, we are going to be streaming quite a bit. Right now, I'm in Springfield, Ohio, getting my truck in the shop. It's due for a BPM, so I decided to check out the new driver's lounge, and so far the internet's good. It's like I have some good download speeds. I'm gonna run a quick. Uh, I'm gonna do a speed test on stream. But if you're here, I'm going to be talking about crypto. I'm going to talk about risk management, different types of trade options you can do in crypto. There's so many things you can do to make money in this space. Let's see here. Hey. So I'm going to do a quick speed test here because this is very interesting. We got so for those of you who don't know, oh my download speeds have went down a little bit, maybe because I have like 4 windows open. But download uh, Mbps doesn't matter; it's more the upstream. So it looks like we're doing an upstream of 34 Mbps, which is good because I'm usually doing like 10 to 12 upload speed, so we should be good. I was lagging earlier, but I think it was just hopefully I'm not lagging. Let me do an audio check. If you can't hear me, let me know because I got a new mic. I'm gonna do my own audio check. If anyone wants to come on stream, let me know. I'll send a link in the comment, and then you can come on and talk about crypto. If you got any questions, we could talk about stocks too if you're into that. I don't know if I have to talk louder because my mic is like 70%, so I don't want to raise it too high. All right, just getting situated. So I was going to talk about my. We're going to go. Hold on. We're going to go over what I normally do every day, as far as the markets go. If you're heavily invested in the markets, you usually have to check the news, the market, see what everything is. See if everything's up or down. Really doesn't matter if you're a long-term holder, as long as you understand your risk and get out when you're ready to get out. Let's see here. We're just going to do a quick audio check. Check, check. Damn it. I don't hear anything. Um, Let me know if you guys can hear me in the chat. This is not a subtitled stream. I speak English. I think we're good. I'm going to turn my mic up a little bit. So if it's too loud, just turn your volume down. All right. So right now we're going to go look at the markets. Currently, Everything is up for the most part. Bitcoin's trading just over 84K. Ethereum's doing good. It's 4.55% up, trading at 1675. Solana is at 132, currently up 2.58% for the day. We're still down 0.35 for the last hour, so there is some trading going on. Let's see what Solana's doing. So it's still in an uptrend, so to speak. So we want to try and get above that 134 mark. So we are bullish on Solana. Normally I will check. So there's been a lot of talk about XRP and HBAR. So I'm going to talk more about Gala today because I think Gala is being underlooked. They have a good team. Everybody in the space is talking about Gala's dead, but it's very much alive. If you actually go to their website, if you go to the Twitter space, we're going to check out their Twitter space too. These guys are making a lot of things happen. They just opened up a bridge to Solana, so now we're able to bridge. If you're in Solana and if you're in the Solana network, any coins that you have, you could trade from the Solana network to the Gala Chains network. So, which is good because I do a lot of trading in and out of those blockchains. So, so this is basically what I look at first. Again, I'm streaming in another room, so I'm kind of like discombobulated. Who is texting? Cyrus Johnson, you suck. Oh yeah, they're talking about Cardano too. So Cardano's currently trading at 64 cents. Everything is up except if you're in Mantra, you just got rug pulled. So if anyone's holding, we're gonna look at Ohm right now. Just saw this last night. So if you're in Mantra, and I did trade Mantra before, but I definitely got out pretty quickly because I saw that it didn't really have a strong community, and you can tell because of the whales. If the whales are holding long term, you can tell. If they're like, I don't know who dumped. I have to look into that, but that is clearly an 80% dump. The market cap is still pretty high. It's at 698. It's a low market cap, but it's high for being in the top 100. So last time I checked, Gala was around that same market cap, but we're able to hold our trending lines. So that's why I've been investing in Gala. What just happened? Okay. I just dumped myself. Hold on. Let's see here. We can make sure. What just happened? All right. We had a little bit of a technical difficulty there. All right, let's get out of Mantra. Tired of looking at this chart. We're going to go to Gala Games. Oh, I got a nice meme for you guys. We're just gonna play it.
Chain, the first fully AI layer 2 blockchain built on Solana by niggas for niggas. LLM Lotta Lil Money's technology. Proof of nigga entry scan system. Broke nigga detection software.
They didn't let me play it.
Chain, the first fully AI layer 2 blockchain built on Solana by niggas for niggas.
Well, that sucks. Anyway, we'll visit that website later. Gala's currently trading at a penny and a half. So, if you were to throw $1,000 in right now and it went to 10.5 cents, you would have $10,000. I think we're going to hit 17 cents by the end of this year. So if you want to do the math on that, just understand the risk. Only put in the market what you're willing to lose. I'm not going to say how much I have, but Gala is probably one of my biggest bags. I got Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana. I've been trading Solana quite a lot because I've noticed that Solana has like the most egregious price action. So if you see something like that where you're investing in something and the price action is jumping up and down, that means everybody's using it as a trading asset. But if it's holding the trending line, that's a good long-term investment as well. That's kind of how I look at Gala. XRP is pretty good. Ethereum, you be careful with that. You want to be more like, I think people in the Ethereum community are very convicted because we're basically in bear market highs right now as far as Ethereum goes, and we're still in a bull market. Obviously, Bitcoin, you want to hold long term, you could take your profits on the way. But if you look at this chart on Gala, you can see this is the daily, so we're going to go on the weekly. So for the weekly, we're basically up 19%, which is good. For the monthly, yeah, we're down. I'm only down 10%, but I did some short trades on Gala. When we hit 1.2, I mean 0.1, like we went under 1.5 pennies. So I did a short trade on that. I got back out at almost 1.5. I did the same thing with Solana. Let's go to the Solana chart. All right. Solana is currently trading at 133. So, let's see, is it a 7-day? Yeah. So I started a short trade at 117. It did go up, but my target to get out was 131. So when we were trading, well, that's actually right over here. This was probably a month ago. It's like trading at 113, 117. So I got in at 117. I threw a big chunk of money at that. It started to move up, but then it dipped down, and that's when we had that big crash. Came down $99. Not $99. Oh yeah, $99. So I DCA'd down because my target's still 131. When we finally hit 131 just this past couple of days, that's when I took my profit. I took my entire investment out and I left the profit in, basically. So I'm basically trading with house money right now. So that was actually a short trade, but it turned into a long short. So sometimes when you put shorts in, you have to DCA back down, make sure you have capital that you're willing to lose, because it always comes back up, especially if it's a project that has good utility. Solana has good utility, XRP, HBAR. I wouldn't trade Ethereum. I wouldn't do any shorts on Ethereum, even though it's trading at a low price, because it's very unpredictable. The community is very bearish. I would use Ethereum as a long-term hold. So we went over shorts. We did long shorts. Now the but yeah, the long short. Now we're gonna do a long trade. So if we do a long trade, do I see any long trades on the market right now? We know that XRP has a good community. This is the one where I would do a long trade on, but we're talking about price action right now. So if you want to double your money, it would have to go to 430 because it's currently trading at 215. So if you're willing to hold it for another couple of months, because I don't think we're going to hit $4 this month at least. We got to see Bitcoin run up to at least $110 or 110K. That would be my target, to see XRP at $4 if Bitcoin hits 110K. Let's see. Bullish on this. Like the video. We're gonna get off Twitter here. I want to. If you're on Twitter, go to YouTube. What the heck? Remove. We're on Facebook and YouTube right now. I'm still waiting for my caffeine to kick in. All right, we're gonna go back to Gala. Why are you sharing the screen? God damn it. Stop. Hello. Right. Look at that. Big O. Oh my God. So this is one thing I don't do in the crypto space. I don't root for projects to fail. Maybe meme coins, because there's too many rug pulls in memes. I hate meme coins. But like, I'm not really an investor in Herdera or XRP. That's all I see is people talk about HBAR and XRP. It's kind of annoying, but like, I'm not. There's so many people invested in that. I don't. I don't. I do not. I don't throw any shade at that. People are invested. These people have families, so I don't like to root for projects to fail. Even with this Tesla stuff going on, like, obviously people like the product, so why would you root for them to fail? That's going to take a hit in the economy. If they fail, you have to deal with the consequences. Where is Gala? No, Gala's up here. Sometimes we have to search. We can't find it in the bubbles. Obviously, the one that gets more attention is the one that's the most down or the most up. Let's go to X. Check out Gala over there. This is my X. As you can see, mantra is trending. We like to see blood in the streets. Okay, so here's here's a tweet. Gala is on a fascinating trajectory, and we're capitalizing on these moves with our unique analysis methods. While our secrets stay under wraps, you're welcome to watch and learn from our plays. Success speaks louder than words in crypto. So this is another reason why I'm holding Gala long term. We're gonna go back to the charts, and I'm gonna do a little bit of an analysis. But the less people that know about Gala, the less short-term trading they're going to do. So if you understand how the charts move, you don't want whales shorting the market. You want them holding, so that retail can come and get small profits when they can. We're gonna come back. Share. All right, so we are on. We're just gonna go to the. We're gonna go to the all chart. As you can see, let me get this out of here. As you can see, we were trading. Our all-time high was about 82 cents in 2021. So obviously, this is a bear market. Started to come up. We are our high, our cycle high for this bull run is 8 cents, which is trash. But I'm holding long term because I believe in the project. Now, I've already taken enough profit out. I threw it back in Bitcoin because I'm holding Bitcoin even longer than I am Gala. So that's my backup. So any money that I lose in altcoins would definitely be I will gain it in Bitcoin because Bitcoin is not going to zero. It's just going to keep going up, just like the S&P 500. The only thing that can destroy Bitcoin is like a nuclear bomb, and if that happens, then it doesn't matter what you hold. So we are. What are we doing? We're gonna go back to the yearly. So as you can see, people are just unsure with the market, so that's why there's so much downwards action as far as the altcoins go. People are just getting out of positions and throwing it back in Bitcoin. That's why Bitcoin's still trading above 80K. Gala has taken a big hit, but that's not entirely bad, especially when we start getting better news, especially with the tariff situation that's been pushing. It's not only the tariffs that's downing the market right now. I think people are only following what they're being told. They're not doing their own research. There's a lot of things going on with these projects. You got the SEC cases. I think the ones that just dropped on XRP. So you're going to see some bullishness here coming in the next few weeks. The rate cuts have been downing the market. So all this really doesn't affect retail. It just affects the long-term holders, the whales, the people that are invested the most. So you're gonna see the markets drop once in a while. So that's if you're retail, this is your opportunity to build wealth while the markets are down. You want to buy these red candles. Not financial advice. If you can't manage 2K a month in savings, I wouldn't even touch crypto. That's just uh, that's just what I do personally. If I can't put away 2K a month, then I wouldn't even touch investments. You don't have a spending problem. You have an earning problem. As you can see, we are up for the day or for 7 days. So we're gonna go back on the daily. Slowly coming down. Still a penny and a half. Okay, I think that's. We haven't even looked. We're just doing our technical analysis right now. We're gonna wait as the day goes by to do our fundamental analysis, see if there's any kind of new news that came out. Still early in the day, uh, but a lot of times you're gonna see a lot of spikes in the market at like 4 a.m. I don't know why, but people just like to get ahead of the game. Crypto, you trade 24 hours, 7 days a week, unlike stocks. Uh, Not much happening. Not much happened over the weekend. Just a lot of chop sideways. It's a long game. Man, I can't get this. Oh, we're gonna go to our. We're gonna go to this N2. Look at this pump, man. God. Who's ever a nigga chain made some money? that is a 90-degree turn up. Look at that swing wick to the upside. Like who's in this coin? Like the market cap's not even a million. Like who's running this? We're gonna go to the website. Yo, this is crazy. You got to do a verification just to get on this website.
Oh, you didn't think niggas had their own high-powered AI layer 2 blockchain? Think again, nigga. N2 on Solana. Yeah, I'm finna bridge.
Nigga chain. Want to buy Nigga Chain AI Layer 2 but have no crypto? Want N2 but you don't have a V3 molecular hyperbridge set up on your computer? Download Moonshot and buy it straight off the app with a debit card in under 2.439 seconds flat. Moonshot, yeah, I'm finna bridge straight from Apple Pay. Every nigga on the planet is talking about Nigga Chain AI Layer 2, the crypto coin with 1 nigillion transaction speeds, anti-crash out cybernetic technology, auto ops honeypots. Yeah, this token a little different. N2 on Solana. I'm finna bridge.
Nigga Chain AI Layer 2.
Nigga Chain. Google called us retarded for building this with company resources.
Real trap shit.
So we parted ways and launched on Pump.fun. This isn't your Unk's AI technology. Welcome to the future, nigga. Nigga Chain AI.
Okay, I had to get out of there. Yo, that is a funny meme coin. It's basically a nigga AI chain, the layer 2 AI coin. I think people just go to the website just to hear the audio. It is nuts. I don't know. I think that meme coin should be doing a lot better. Especially than fart coin. Like who the hell is buying fart coin? Um, yo, I need chat in here. You, yeah. So Gala is not dead. We are still very much alive. And we are going to get off here because I have some homework to do. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Don't share your wallet. Don't share your keys. Make sure you take your crypto assets off the exchanges and put it in a cold storage wallet. You only trade. You only leave the money on the exchanges that you're trading. Like if you're on active trades, that's the only reason you would leave money on the crypto exchanges. And that's really all I got for you today. Peace out.